Hello everyone, I'm Brigitte Benson, Eureka, California Realtor, and I'm here to give you the monthly Humboldt County real estate market update. Thank you for joining me, and please subscribe for Humboldt County updates. So today we're going to start with our 3-month average, which was 439,000. That declined from 450,000. So we're starting to see that decline in prices as we move towards the end of the year. So the buying pressure seemed to let up a little bit in September, and we are not seeing any increased prices after that recent interest rate drop. So we had that downturn of the 3-month moving average, and this mimics what happened last year in July, and we just start to kind of decline as we go towards the holidays and the end of the year. Many people don't want to list their home during the holidays because they have a lot going on. So as we head into that slower season, we are going to expect higher days on market. And within the last 30 days, that did rise a little bit. We are now at 27 to 42 days on the market. This is just normal for this buying season, buying and selling season as we go into the fall. But remember, if you are still going to list your home in the fall or the winter, there are going to be serious buyers out looking at those homes, and you never know when you can get a really great offer. This was maybe the most interesting chart that we talked about in our meeting, and that is the median list price to the median sold price. Those lines are just almost touching right now. So what we saw is sellers are bringing their prices down to meet where buyers are comfortable buying at or making offers at. And so the sold price is just $1,000 off of what the listing price is on our market charts. It's very interesting to see because if you look on the chart for the past months or a few years, the listing price really exceeds the sold price. Now they're starting to meet, and you never know if those two lines could meet next month, but they're $1,000 off. So what this tells us is just sellers are reducing their price and trying to meet those buyers where they can make an offer. The median list price was $440,000, and the median sales price was $439,000. This is the closest that these two numbers have been in the last 18 months. So if you're wondering why your house is sitting on the market, you might want to pay attention to these market charts. I can forward them to you. It will kind of show you what the market is doing, and you will kind of see if you are appropriately priced in our market. If you're priced too high, buyers are going to walk right by that house and they're going to wait for the price to come down, which means that house will be sitting, and then buyers start to wonder why the house is sitting. So oftentimes when you price your property too high, it can sit for longer than pricing it at what the fair market value should be. So please work with your realtor to get a good market analysis of your property so that you can decide on a good listing price so that you're not going to miss buyers. Okay, and lastly, I just want to go over the new industry changes with real estate. And that is, if you are working with a buyer, or if you're a buyer working with a realtor, then the buyer and the realtor will have to get into an agency relationship, showing the fees that that buyer broker charges and how that buyer broker is going to assist you. What is happening now is that buyers are either going to be paying their own commission to their buyer agent, or the buyer will ask the seller to pay for their buyer agent commission through the purchase agreement. So it's all going to be negotiated now in the purchase agreement between the buyer and the seller. So there are industry changes that you need to know if you are going to sell or if you are going to buy. These industry changes are going to affect everyone involved in the transaction. And it's important to know the clarity with what's going on so that you can best sell your home, or so you can go and see homes and potentially get into a property. And Please do not go to Google and look. Just call me your realtor. I will thoroughly explain everything to you so that you do truly understand it. I want to educate the people that I'm working with so that we all know what's going on. And that just makes such a better business and working relationship. So please reach out to me if you do have questions about the new industry changes. And I just thank you guys so much for watching my market updates. I truly hope that it is helping you understand the Humboldt County real estate market. If you have questions or concerns, please comment below. And I would just love to hear from you. Drop a hello in the comments. Tell us where you're watching from. I would love to know that. And subscribe for Humboldt County real estate updates and fun activities that I do. I'm Brigitte Benson. I'm a realtor in Eureka, California, and I serve Humboldt County and Del Norte County. Thank you so much.